Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is Primrose, and today I wanted to share my blooms from my Echeveria agave. So this is the first time that it has bloomed for me, and its color yellow. The blooms are tiny. It's bell-shaped, but look at the colors. So it's inside, it's color yellow, but outside it's pink. And I've been watching Olga's video. She collects the seeds from the flowers of her succulents. So I think I will try to do the same to this one. And it's got two spikes, and this one is not fully opened yet. And this echeveria is very large, and this is the unidentified echeveria, and the blooms, it's more like orange inside, and it's not fully open yet, and outside it's like orange color. They're just tiny. Succulent flowers are tiny, but they're beautiful and I love the colors. And this one is my Haworthia. I think this is the Haworthia zebrina. So this is the first time that it has put out this long thin flower spike, and it's not doing anything yet at this point, so I don't know what colors the blooms would be. The buds are just forming. And a little update about my Hoya. So now you could really see the buds a bit bigger than the last time when I filmed it earlier. And another one. And then look at these crazy flower spikes from this aloe vera. And it's got three. This one has just come out, and the biggest one, it hasn't opened yet, but look at those. So I might try as well to collect seeds from this. I haven't done harvesting seeds from my succulents before, so I'm really looking forward to it. And it's got another spike from on this side. Yeah. And last year it tried to put out some pups or babies from at the bottom, but I don't know why. I tried to pull them out and threw them away, but I think this year I could see about 3 babies down there. I'll try to propagate them and give them away to people who are interested to have this kind of aloe in their collection. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.